Welcome back, year ones. Today is Wednesday and we have some activities that we need to complete. So let's open up on Wednesday's English activity. So for today's English activity, you have a phase 2 tricky words word search. So all you have to do is find the words below in this word search, okay? So you can use a pencil, color pencil, Monami. It is up to you. I'm not picky about what you use. So the words down below are, the first one over here where I'm pointing or circling is I, know, the, to, go, into. Okay, so these are the words that you need to find in the word search. Then we move on to your maths for today. So we've got a fun caterpillar maths. All you do is use the color key, okay, to color the picture. Okay, so where you see number 1, you have to make it light green. Okay, light green. Where you see number 2, it should be brown, deep brown. Where you see 3, you make it green, deep green. Where you see 4, you color purple. Okay, so for instance, here you've got 4, so you'll color 4 purple. And here you'll also have a 4, so this whole part will be 4. So it means that it needs to be purple. Here you've got another 4, it should be purple. Then 5 is yellow. Okay, 5 is yellow. Let's just move that up there. 6 is pink. 7 is deep yellow. 8 is orange. Okay, so for 5 and 7, you can just make it yellow. You can press a little harder when it's deep yellow and lightly when it's just yellow. Okay, and 8 is orange. Then we move on to our next maths activity. We have a number sequencing again. We had the snakes and now we're doing caterpillars. Okay, so you just fill in the missing number. So it goes 4, then 6. What comes between 4 and 6? 5. So it's 4, 5, 6. Something 8, 9. So it should be 7, 8, 9. Okay, so you complete the number sequencing activity and you get to color the picture in. Okay, the picture of the caterpillar, and that is it for today's activities.